Hi, Evgeny, I'm the CEO of ClauseMatch, and I run a RegTech company. I think the main takeaway today was the industry is evolving. There is a lot of hunger for innovation, not just from regulated firms, but also from regulators. And there is a hunger for understanding how artificial intelligence can help us. And also, we tried to understand whether artificial intelligence will replace humans, and I think the conclusion is perhaps in a very, very far distant future, but today that knowledge still sits with people. I think there was a very honest discussion in terms of, okay, well, what sort of regulation can be digitized? And for example, regulatory reporting can be digitized, can be put into code, and then financial institutions can easily comply with it via straight-through processing by recording how they executed the code. But there is another part, which is 90% of all the regulation, which is principle-based. And how do you address compliance with 90% of the principle-based regulation? That is still a very manual process. And for me, the takeaway was, how can we help with compliance of the regulated entities with principle-based regulation, which cannot be codified very easily. It's a takeaway for me as a founder of a tech firm, because I'm thinking about problems which we're trying to solve. But at the same time, I think for 10% of regulatory reporting obligations which firms have, it's a real solution that FCA is proposing and other regulators can take on board and really automate that part. It should be, in theory, quite easy, and I hope it will be.